Welcome. On this episode of Claude Cowork, we're going to be prepping for your next meeting. All right, let's dive in. Today we're going to be needing our Gmail and calendar connectors. Good, they're already there. Hey Claude, there should be 5 events in my calendar for tomorrow. Can you give me a briefing per each meeting? Thank you. All right, so now it's looking at my calendar. All right, it found all of my meetings. I want these to be something that I can read on my phone as I walk to each meeting. I want it to be a little bit more spread out. Can you put them as like meeting notes in my calendar so I can check them on my way? All right, let's see what it does with this. You could also set these as notifications or little 5-minute notes before your meeting. And then if you have your phone connected, it could even directly message you. Oh, see? There, it doesn't really want to put it in the event description. So, with a few bullets. All right, so we just give it a little bit of clarity here, and it should add little micro meetings with notes for us. Perfect. Now it's getting me nice walking notes. I like that it calls it that. I can check them out right as I'm walking to my next meeting. That's just what I wanted. Awesome. And so, just to wrap up, for our takeaways here, we need to figure out how much you can tolerate. So we don't want Claude to overwhelm you with info, as well as making sure that it's functional. We don't really want a novel all at once. We wanted them separated and able to read on your phone on the way to a meeting. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.